is under the food item shellfish, and it's entitled Yamang Dagat Cooking. For our ingredients, we have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger, we have 1/4 cup of onion rings, 1/2 kilo of crab sliced into half. Next, we have 1/4 kilo of shrimp with shell. Next, we have 1/4 kilo of mussels or tahong. And for our vegetables, we have 2 pieces bell pepper sliced, and also sliced 1 cup of leeks. And for our creamy oyster sauce, we have 1/2 cup of oyster sauce and 250 grams of all-purpose cream. And lastly, we have 1 tablespoon of seasoning granules. Our first step for the cooking oil. Next, let us put a filter. Next is the onion ring. You will wait until the onion turns translucent. Next, we are now ready to add our shellfish. First is the crab. Followed by shrimp. Last shellfish, which is under mollusk, we have mussels or tahong. We will cook this for about 5 minutes or until the seafood changes its color. So let us simmer this for 5 to 10 minutes. When we're waiting for the shellfish to be cooked, we are now ready to prepare our creamy oyster sauce. All we have to do is just add the oyster sauce. Next is all-purpose cream. Mix it well. Then add our seasoning granules. Well, and then our creamy oyster sauce is now ready. So we will now add our bell pepper. And our as we all know, the changes in color in shellfish is an indication of its doneness. So, as you can see, our shellfish here turns into orange, so this means this is already done. Next, we are ready to add our creamy oyster sauce. And gradually mix it or do the saucing technique. Okay, we cook it again for another 5 minutes. spontaneous hearing. And once all the ingredients are covered with the sauce, then it is now done. I can say it's done. Basically, we have different types of plating. So we have contrasting elements. We have also have complementary. We have symmetrical and also asymmetrical. In this recipe, I prefer to use the symmetrical plating, which means it has equal number of food items. About shellfish and plating is that the ingredient itself, the shellfish itself, is very beautiful in color and also in shape. The shapes are very good to our taste. And then you may garnish it with sliced or chopped bacon. So this is our recipe for the delicious yamang rice.